Data science. Explained in 6 minutes.
Filled circle machine learning for forecasting. If you have transaction data for a financial company, and what is data science? An introduction. Data science is a field of research that involves the use of various scientific methods, algorithms, and processes to extract insights from large volumes of data. It helps to discover hidden patterns in raw data. Data science emerged with the evolution of mathematical statistics, data analysis, and big data. Data science is an interdisciplinary field where knowledge can be extracted from structured or unstructured data. Data science allows you to turn a business problem into a research project and turn it into a working solution. As such, data science is primarily used to apply predictive causal analysis, prescriptive analytics, predictive and decision science, and machine learning decision-making and prediction. Filled circle predictive causal analysis. If we want a model that can predict the probability of future events, then predictive causal analysis should be used. For example, if you offer money on credit, your concern is that your customers will make future credit payments on time. Here, you can run predictive analytics on your customer's payment history to build a model to predict whether future payments will be made on time. Filled circle prescriptive analysis. If you want a model to make intelligent decisions and be able to modify the model with dynamic parameters, you need prescriptive analysis. This relatively new field is all about providing advice. In other words, it not only predicts but also suggests a set of related actions and outcomes. The best example of this is Google's self-driving car, which I mentioned earlier. The data collected by the vehicle can be used to train self-driving cars. Algorithms can be run on this data to derive intelligence. This allows the car to make decisions such as when to turn, which road to take, and when to slow down or accelerate. Filled circle need to build a model to determine future trends. Machine learning algorithms are the best option for you. This falls under the supervised learning paradigm. It is called supervised because we already have data to train the machine. For example, historical records of fraudulent purchases can be used to train a fraud detection model. Filled circle machine learning for pattern discovery. When you have no parameters to predict, you need to find hidden patterns in your dataset to make meaningful predictions. Since there are no predefined labels for grouping, this is nothing but an unsupervised model. The most common algorithm used for pattern recognition is clustering. Suppose you work for a telephone company and you need to build a network by placing masts in your area. Clustering techniques can then be used to find tower locations that ensure optimal signal strength for all users. Data science. Why? The main advantages of using data analysis techniques are:
filled circle data is the oil of today's world. With the right tools, technology, and algorithms, you can take your data and turn it into tangible business benefits. Filled circle data science helps identify fraud using advanced machine learning algorithms. Filled circle helps prevent significant financial loss. Filled circle it can create machine intelligence capabilities. Filled circle conduct sentiment analysis to measure customer brand loyalty. Filled circle it helps you make better and faster decisions. Filled circle it helps you recommend the right products to the right customers to promote your business. The data science lifecycle. Now that you know what is data science, next up let us focus on the data science lifecycle. Data science's lifecycle consists of 5 distinct stages, each with its tasks. Filled circle capture: data acquisition, data entry, signal reception, data extraction. This stage involves gathering raw structured and unstructured data. Filled circle maintain data warehousing, data cleansing, data staging, data processing and data architecture. This stage covers taking the raw data and putting it in a form that can be used. Filled circle process: data mining, clustering, classification, data modeling, data summarization. Data scientists take the prepared data and examine its patterns, ranges, and biases to determine how useful it will be in predictive analysis. Filled circle analyze: exploratory, confirmatory, predictive analysis, regression, text mining, and qualitative analysis. Here is the real meat of the lifecycle. This stage involves performing various analyses of the data. Filled circle communicate: data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, decision making. In this final step, analysts prepare the analyses in easily readable forms such as charts, graphs, and reports. Data science process. This data science tutorial will teach you about the data science process. 1. Discovery. The discovery phase involves obtaining data from all identified internal and external sources. It helps answer business questions. This is the data, filled circle, reporting from web servers. Filled circle, data collect.
From social media census dataset. Data is streamed from online sources using APIs. 2. Preparation. Your data can contain many inconsistencies, such as missing values, empty columns, inappropriate data formats, etc., that need to be cleaned up. Before modeling, data must be processed, explored, and organized. The cleaner the data, the better the predictions. 3. Model design. At this stage, we have to decide on methods and techniques for drawing relationships between input variables. Model planning is done using various statistical formulas and visualization tools. SQL analysis services and SAS/Access are some of the tools used for this purpose. 4. Model building. This step begins the process of building the actual model. Here, data scientists distribute training and test datasets. Techniques such as association, classification, and clustering are applied to the training dataset. Once the model is ready, it is tested against the test dataset. 5. Operationalization. This stage provides the final base model including reports, code, and technical documentation. After thorough testing, the model is deployed for real-time production. 6. Communication of results. At this stage, key findings are communicated to all stakeholders. This helps determine the success or failure of the project based on model inputs.